Right, we're here at Kara's Makeup Academy. Today we got a shoot. Me and Kash will be filming new Eid look that she's gonna be giving out for free. Check that out at Kara Makeup Academy, the Eid look. So let's see what setup we can come out with. But yeah, nice weather today. I might just go for the Tim Hortons after this, you know, you never know, you never know. Yes, Mr. Cash.
Kara Makeup Academy.
Yes, Kara. How you doing?
Once you're ready. She's not got a pajama, bro. She's only got a kameez. So she's not going to be able to do it from then.
It's alright, we just create a new look, new trendy look. Pajama kameez. Which mirror are you gonna do it on? This one? Oh, it's got nice air conditioning here. So this mirror, we just shoot over the shoulder.
I want it hot tomorrow.
I think it should work here, you know. It's not that noisy, bro.
But the lab mic, I mean, her interview from the launch was quite good.
It'll be fine.
You could hear a bit of people in the background. That's what it was loud. You couldn't hear.
I'm on a diet.
You say that every time but lose no weight.
No, I've lost weight.
No, he has lost weight.
I've lost weight. What are you talking about?
I don't see you.
Basically, we need to maybe get as much of your followers.
I've lost weight. I do kettlebell every day.
That's when you were best at.
And we're ready for the shoot. It's a simple setup, but it looks quite good actually.
4, 5, 6, 7, yeah.
1 second. Yeah, keep going.
8, 9, 10, 15.
Yeah, so that's the look done. KaraMakeupAcademy.com. So she's doing an Eid look. It's going to be for free, so check it out, KaraMakeupAcademy.com.
Really good. It was really good. We like kind of cracked it on point. It's quick. That's what we like. Just because I said you would gain weight.
Right, anyway, we're done from here. I think we're done. I think we're done talking about my weight. Let's get some last words of Cash.
What was it? Archie's time.
Cash, say the words.
It's Archie's time, bro.
What time is it?
It's Archie's time.
Right, let's bounce. A toast. Toast. 24 bits.
Tony boy, tell me if you like my gift.
I don't know who's doing this.
زيانة ذكاء